Ma, di ma, orang motor dia. Motor dia.
Ver ha ver. Ver günah sadaka. Peygamber Efendimizin ruhuna sadaka olsun ver. Hacı.
कहेगा हम लोग यहाँ तक है फिर उसके बाद बोलेंगे
अच्छा मुझे
वो समझ
मुझे लगा वो लावारिस या अल्लाह अल्लाह alhamdulillah we have done with the
We just finished this journey and it was really tiring, but since we're doing this together for the first time, we were able to motivate each other and bring each other up to the top. This is our very first trip together as a married couple, so this is very special for us. It's going to be a very memorable trip, especially since we get to visit all of these religious sites.
The journey up over here is like 1 to 2 hours, and we have just recently married, so it was a spiritual connection to our religion and to ourselves as well. As you know, hiking, people go hiking, and this is like a type of hiking, and but a spiritual hiking, I would say. And it's a totally full of a wonderful pleasure and how do I say, wonderful experience. It was really fun, very tiring journey, but spiritual one. So it did push our spiritual values as well and our relationship as well. So it was a total worth of the worth of walking up here. It is like a hiking in a normal country. Really fun. Let's go.
I feel fulfilled.
Yeah.
Papa. Okay, so we just finished our trip to the Gaar Hira on top of Mount Noor. This was the mountain where Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, our prophet, got his first revelation, and basically the story of Islam started as we know it. We came here for the first time together as a married couple. This is our first trip together, and we're performing Hajj together, so it's very exciting and spiritually strengthening. We're strengthening our bond with our religion as well as each other, and alhamdulillah. And the journey is very tiring, but I would say it's worth it.
Flash. It's okay. Fotoğrafı bir sürü